Thank you, Gabrielle. Well, major changes in the murder trial of a Kino Springs rancher accused of killing an undocumented immigrant on his property earlier this year. A state appellate court has come down with a series of rulings that could have a major impact on what is presented to the jury. George Allen Kelly is charged with second-degree murder after the body of a Mexican citizen was found on his ranch back in January. Kelly has denied shooting anyone. The case gained national attention. Our chief investigative reporter, Nylander, first broke this story and joins us live right now outside the Division II Arizona Court of Appeals in downtown Tucson. Chorus.
Yeah, well, Angelique, there's been a bunch of twists and turns in this case from the very beginning. A trial that was scheduled in September was stopped in its tracks after state prosecutors took several issues they had with the judge's rulings here to the Court of Appeals behind me. Now we know this higher court's decisions.
This court can't allow those errors to stand in a murder case because they prevent the jury from discovering the truth and reaching a fair verdict.
That was the lead state prosecutor's argument to the Court of Appeals after presiding judge Thomas Fink had made several rulings impacting the state's case and denying the request to delay the trial that was scheduled in September.
The motion to continue is denied. The court is confident all parties can be prepared for trial.
The trial never happened and is on hold because state prosecutors got the state Court of Appeals involved. On November 7th, the Court of Appeals issued its opinion in the state's favor, vacating Judge Fink's ruling that the state can't further depose Kelly's wife, Wanda. Writing, quote, "We accept jurisdiction, and because the respondent judge erred by concluding the anti-marital fact privilege applied to Kelly's post-arrest conversations with Wanda, we grant relief. We vacate the respondent judge's order denying the state's motion to complete Wanda's deposition."
Mr. and Mrs. Kelly have been married for decades. They talk to each other. They have a very strong marriage. They share things. That one spouse can't go talk to his attorney about this highly emotional case that he's involved in and then not have the protection of just being able to talk to his wife about that.
The court also directed Judge Fink to reconsider his ruling that prevented a series of inflammatory text messages from Kelly to a friend, which referred to wanting to kill migrants on his property, from being shown during trial. And still no trial date has been set. It's unclear how long it's going to take for them to lock down a date for this case to actually go to trial. We'll keep you updated. We're live from downtown Tucson tonight. Nylander, News 4 Tucson.